Security tips for employees working from home, working remotely. Protect your work and personal info while boosting your productivity. By following these simple steps, you'll work securely and confidently from wherever you are. 1. Secure your home router. 2. Separate work and personal devices. 3. Encrypt your devices. 4. Use supported operating systems. 5. Keep your operating system up to date. 6. Enable automatic locking. 7. Use a strong PIN password on your device. 8. Use an antivirus. 9. Invest in a password manager. 10. Enable two-factor authentication and use an authenticator app. 11. Enable Find My Device and Remote Wipe. 12. Wipe any devices before you share, sell, or dispose of. 13. Use a virtual private network, VPN. 14. Monitor your third-party vendors and service providers. 15. Implement adequate email security practices. 16. Keep yourself informed, keep watching, like and subscribe #Cybex Sword for more videos on cybersecurity.